So, spiders, mysterious ring structures, squashes. I need another spooky topic. Black cats, bats, that's redundant. Can't really talk about witches, ghosts, or werewolves. Maybe mushrooms? Oh, of course! Skeletons! Alright, bones. Most vertebrates have them. There are fish that have cartilage instead, though. But for the rest, we have bones. They're useful for many things. Without them, we'd be shapeless blobs, and our vital organs would be vulnerable. They also help us move by having muscles and tendons pull them. Now, let's get into the structure. The outer layer is called the cortex. Yes, like in the brain. It's hard and compact and made up of columns called osteons. Those have a tube running through the center and more tubes connecting them to each other. Those canals are used to exchange material. Underneath that hard layer is spongy bone. Cancellous bone, as it is known, is more flexible and porous. A lot of chemical exchanges happen there. Despite taking up like 10 times the space the cortex does, cancellous bone is only 1/5 of your bone mass. Well, for humans, lots of animals have more spongy bone in comparison, especially marine animals. Here's something crazy. The cancellous tissues are where the marrow is, which is what makes most blood cells. I bet you didn't know that your platelets and red and white blood cells come from your bones. They might mostly be mineral, but there's a lot of cellular activity in there. Oh, those minerals, they can be used later for other purposes. There are cells whose job is to mine bones and send the calcium and other substances where they are more needed. As such, your skeleton is constantly being remodeled, slowly shifting inside of you. Like any good horror story, this last bit had a deeper meaning. Please keep a good posture. Have a good evening, and I'll see you next week for my 25th video.